Hi everyone, it's Elena. This is today's nail art design. These are the supplies that I used. I'll list them in the description box below. Okay, this is what we're looking to do. This is a 2 nail art design. And we're going to do a waterfall and a glitter nail. And I started with my Orly bonder. That's my base coat. And then I went over it with 2 coats of Julie G's Freshly Squeezed. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. And on that nail, I'm going to use, that's going to be my glitter nail with some sequins on it. And that's going to be done with Zoya Ziv, really pretty gold color. And then I'm going to top it with Laquerlicious Gold Digger. After that, I'm going to place 3 different color sequins here and there on the nail just to tie it in with the other nails. And I'm going to use my dotting tool to place them on the nail. Okay, let's start with the Zoya Ziv. I'm going to just use 1 coat of that on my ring finger. This is just a really neat fall nail art design, and I was looking to do some of the waterfall designs and use some of my Glam glitters. So thanks to Inaz Cosmetics, which I love. You can find them on Facebook. Okay, now I'm going to go over that with my Laquerlicious Gold Digger. And you want to try to just not drag it too much because the glitters will kind of hang off the edge of your nail and then it'll get caught. So just kind of like try to place the glitters, if that makes any sense. Okay, now we're going to place some very small sequins onto the nail, and I'm going to use this inexpensive Quick Shine Top Coat by Jordania. And the reason why I use the inexpensive stuff is because it takes a little bit longer to dry and it's a little bit thinner. And that's just going to give the sequin something to stick to. Okay, now one by one, using my dotting tool, I'm going to place 3 different color sequences in no particular order on the nail, just to tie it into the waterfall design. And you can keep adding them till you feel you have enough on there. I just really wanted to do it because I wanted to give it some depth and dimension instead of just having a 1 gold nail. Okay, now I'm going to top coat that, and then we'll start the other nails. Okay, now I'm going to use my Glam glitters, and these are by Inaz Cosmetics. And I'm going to use Verdissa Glam, Pennywise Glam, Forever Yours Glam, Terrence Glam, and Glam Chic. Okay, these Inaz Cosmetics can be found on Facebook and purchased through PayPal or money order. And I'm going to use a striper brush and a dotting tool to mix the glitter with the clear nail polish. Inexpensive clear nail polish works perfectly. And I'm going to use my little scooping tool to pick up the glitters out of the little containers. Okay, I put them all on the plate now, and we're just going to mix one at a time as I use them with some clear nail polish. You want to make sure that you put enough clear nail polish, and this has to be done pretty quickly because the nail polish will dry. I'm going to take my dotting tool and I'm just going to kind of mix it up. Okay, I'm going to wipe that off, and I'm going to take my striper brush and I'm just going to begin to, try to make 2 lines on each nail. But it depends on the size of the nail. I may not be able to fit 2 lines of each color. So this is Glam Chic, and I'm just going to drag it 3/4 of the way up the nail. And you don't want to make them too even because it's supposed to be waterfall looking, so okay. I'm going to clean the brush, and then we'll get started with the next color. Okay, the next color we're going to do is the Forever Yours Glam, and it's kind of a purple. It does fit in with the fall theme, and it kind of throws a little bit of color into the autumn situation. Okay, I'm going to mix it up. I've cleaned my brush, wipe it off, and I'm going to do the same thing I did with the Glam Chic. I'm going to put 2 lines. And this one is just going to go right next to the other line on either side. Now you can put them in any order you want. This is just the way that I chose to do it. You could even mix it up for each nail differently. It's up to you. But you do want to work kind of fast because they do dry. Okay, that color is finished, and now we're going to move on to the next color. Okay, and I chose to use the Pennywise Glam next. And I just want to thank Amber Rose and Eric for getting me my Pennywise. I just got it day before yesterday, and it's absolutely gorgeous, and I couldn't wait to use it. So I had to incorporate it into this design. I think I've just gone a little bit glitter crazy, but I just love the bling. Okay, doing the same thing, mixing it up, cleaning my brush off, dragging it through, and going alongside one of the other lines on either side of the nail. Okay. Okay, moving on. Just touch up a little bit there. Okay, same process. I'm going to soak my brush, clean it up, wipe it off, Add a little bit of clear nail polish onto the plate next to the glitter. And this one is going to be Verdissa Glam. Again, as I said, it's up to you where you want to draw the lines and where you'd like to place the colors. That's completely optional. This was just my choice, but you know, it's your nail design, so you can do it any way. There is no right or wrong. Okay, to the next color, and this one is going to be Terrence Glam. It's a brown glitter. I really just hope that you guys can see how beautiful this design is. It's just really incredible. And just so you guys know, I did have an epic fail. Rather than using the clear nail polish and mixing the glitters up, I never showed you guys, but I did do my nails and I used my glitter, the best glue ever, and then I tried to dust it on and they all just stuck to each other and it just went really wrong. But live and learn. So this is the way that it worked. Unfortunately, I had to do my nails over. And actually, there was a design in between my epic fail. So, okay, I was only able to fit the one line of Terrence on there. So, but, okay, let's top coat it and just push some of the glitters down. Top coat it, and I'll be right back. Okay, there are both hands. They're finished. They're top coated, and it's an excellent fall design. I want to thank everybody as usual for watching. Thank you, Amber Rose and Eric, for my glam glitters, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.